Welcome to Robotechie Tips. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to set up a virtual machine in Ubuntu. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, this tutorial will help you run multiple operating systems seamlessly on your system. Let's get started. First step is to download the required Ubuntu image. For that, go to this official website for Ubuntu releases and download Ubuntu 20.04.6 Focal Fossa. Once the download is completed, you can take a terminal and type sudo apt get install VirtualBox. Once the installation is done, you can find the application in Show Application. Type VirtualBox and click on the application to open. Click on New and create your virtual machine by providing name, machine folder, type and version. Also select the memory size according to your requirement. Create a virtual hard disk now. Click on Create. Select hard disk file type as VDI. Storage on physical disk as dynamically allocated. Size of virtual hard disk as 30 GB. Click Create. Now you can click on settings of this one. Click on System and then Processor tab and select 3 CPUs as the processor's number. Now click on Storage, click on Empty and select the file disk from your local machine, the one you have downloaded before. Click OK. Now you can click on Start to start your VM for Ubuntu 20.04. It will take some time. Once the loading is completed, you can install Ubuntu 20.04. Steps are similar to the normal installation process in a laptop or system. Click on Install Ubuntu. Select keyboard layout. Click normal installation and proceed. You can provide the details name, computer name, username and password. It will take some time to complete the installation process. Once the installation is done, you can log in using your username and password. Take a terminal and type sudo apt get update. Once it is done, you can upgrade using sudo apt get upgrade. You can use this command to install this. Right click, click on display settings and select the resolution that you require. Now the setup of VM is completed. Thank you.